Classic scooter ba ang hanap mo? Baka ito na ang para sa'yo. Ito si Honda Giorno Plus 125 CBS. Headlight at taillight naka full LED na yan. Naka LCD display panel, kulay brown ang leather seat cover, keyless, combi brake system, kayang tumakbo ng 47 km per liter. Powered by ESP Plus Enhanced Smart Power Plus. May engine na 124.7cc, liquid-cooled, single overhead cam, 4 valve. Kaya kang bigyan ng max power output na 11.4 horsepower at 8,750 RPM. May max torque naman na 11.6 Nm at 5,250 RPM. Boring stroke 53.5 by 55.5 mm. May compression ratio na 11.5:1. Fuel tank capacity 5.4 liters. May bigat na 116 kilograms at may SRP naman na 101,900 pesos.